Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you a way to make science fun for children. This is a quick and edible food science activity that children can eat the results and learn about freezing points at the same time. This activity only requires 4 simple ingredients. The first ingredient would be ice. And the next ingredient would be juice. And for the purpose of mine, I'm going to be using orange juice. A third ingredient would be coarse salt, but any salt would be fine. The last ingredients needed would be 1 sandwich bag and 1 Ziploc gallon-sized bag. Then, in the gallon-sized bag, we're going to put in about half a bag of ice and about 5 tablespoons of the salt. Then I'm going to add about a cup of orange juice into the sandwich bag. Then we're going to put the orange juice inside of the big gallon-sized bag full of ice and salt. To prevent your hands from getting too cold, I've added a dish towel and I've wrapped it around the sandwich bag so that my hands won't get too cold while I'm shaking. After wrapping it up in the dish towel, which is optional, you can start shaking the bag as you can see I'm doing in the video. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes for the juice to harden into the sorbet inside the bag. Depending on how firm you want your sorbet to be, the consistency depends on you. If you want it to be a little firmer, you can shake it a little longer. And if you're okay with being a little softer, then you don't have to shake it as long. You take the sorbet out of the giant gallon-sized bag. It should look a little something like this. Take the sorbet from the little sandwich bag and put it into the cup, and it should look a little something like this. The scientific explanation of this activity would be that adding an impurity, which is the salt, to ice lowers its freezing point. The ice wants to melt back into water, but to do that, it needs to absorb heat from somewhere else. And in this case, the heat would be coming from the orange juice. Heat is transferred from the orange juice to the ice, and then it freezes the orange juice, which makes it a sorbet. And this process is called the endothermic process, which means that the heat is absorbed. This activity is very versatile. Instead of using juice, we can always substitute it for milk and half to make the ice cream instead of the sorbet. At the bottom of the video, there is a webpage address that will lead you to my blog page, and there the instructions will be provided for you for the ice cream in a baggie activity. Thanks for watching the video today, and I hope you guys have a lot of fun doing this activity.